Hello everyone, this is the Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this paper towel holder. It's made by DEKAVA, D-E-K-A-U-V-A. So it does come with two pieces of two-sided tape. It already has one installed. I usually mount these with the screws, and the screws do have little caps that you can put on, so it finishes the decorative black look. This seems very sturdy. I like paper towel holders that you can just put on from one side, real simple. You can see I've got a full-size paper towel right here. I could mount this, I'm gonna mount this under my sink. And so it'll be super easy to pull them off. Mounts with two screws or the double-sided tape. But again, this little lip here is gonna help kind of hold it, but when I need to change it, just change it. There's no assembly required. This comes fully assembled. Okay, let's go over sizes. This is 13 inches, the complete length. Up, down is about 4 inches. The mounting bracket, 5.5 inches by about 1.75 inches. Let's put a paper towel on there. Now overall with the paper towel on there is about 6.5 inches is what you're gonna need. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.